Hey everybody, this is Eric with Phone Scoop here, and today we're going to take a quick look at Skype on Verizon Wireless smartphones. We're going to get a run through of how the application works, what it looks like, and just how easy it is to use. So take it away, Skype team.
So here you have the Skype Mobile client on your BlackBerry device. When we're live on Thursday 25th, you'll be able to have unlimited Skype to Skype calls, Skype to Skype IM, and be able to use Skype credit to make international calls. So here in my contact list, and if you're already a Skype user, your contact list will be populated once you log in with your Skype ID that you use already. You can click on a Skype contact. You can make a Skype to Skype call, for instance, by hitting call, or you can click send IM and send them an IM. So let's say, for instance, I decide to make a call. The call ID will come up as a Skype call, which is calling this phone here.
There we go. So it looks like a normal BlackBerry call, like the menu here. That's how a BlackBerry phone call would look with the regular phone.
Correct.
So Skype is just accessing the telephony feature of the phone itself to make the call?
Correct.
Okay.
Correct. And it will show up as a Skype call on the other end.
Mm-hmm.
So hanging up the phone, going back into the client, if I wanted to start an IM with this particular contact, I would say send IM and be able to type hi. And from this menu, you can actually add more people and start a group chat. So it'll go down and offer you your list of contacts to add to that group chat. You might have heard a notification pop up on the Devour here. That would be my chat coming through.
Mm-hmm.
Another way you can look through the menu here, you can actually look at your chat and conversations and track them here, similar to how you see it on a computer. There's also a call out feature where here, if you had Skype credit to make international calls, your balance is listed. You can manually type in a number in this section here. If for some reason you decide you want to call an international number, so make it that, or sorry, a domestic number.
A landline.
A landline, or actually
or another cell phone. Yeah.
When you do so, you'll get a note that says that this is actually going to be carried through the Verizon network and be counted against your plans. Now, if you decide you want to make an international call, so let's say, for instance, I'm going to call Dan Chesney in the UK, make a call. It'll actually go through as a Skype call, and because I have Skype credit, I'll be utilizing Skype's low-cost international rates.
So now, if you don't have Skype credit, will it prompt you to add more before it makes the call?
Yes, it'll prompt you, and it'll give you instructions on how to purchase from Skype.com.
Okay.
If you want to check your balance before even making a call, you can also go into the main menu and look at Skype credit, and your balance will show. Mm-hmm. So going back to the main navigation, went through the call phone feature. There's the ability to add contacts. You can search the Skype directory similar how you do it on a computer. You can add a phone number directly by manually typing it in, and you can also import from your BlackBerry. So if you do that...
So if your BlackBerry contact database has Skype information in there, the application will find it and add those people?
Actually, it's looking for international numbers.
Oh, okay.
So, for instance, this particular phone has one international number in it. It will pop up and you can simply click add. It will pre-populate the information for you, and it can be added to your Skype contacts. During initial setup, you're actually prompted to import all your international contacts, but you can opt not to do so and go back in and do it manually through this add contact feature.
Okay.
You can also set your mood. For instance, this mood is set to Skype Mobile and Verizon Wireless rocks. And then there is ability to update your profile. Now, full name and your phone numbers are editable. Other detailed information that has to do with your account would have to be accessed through your computer.
Okay. So now that's how this application appears on a BlackBerry. It's going to be also available for Android phones. How does it look on the Android phones? Is it basically identical?
It is basically identical. The icons you see on the top menu here are across all of the Skype Mobile applications, regardless of the operating system that it's running on, the device OS. But the navigation will be slightly different because of the form factor, because of the screen size and the touchscreen capabilities on some of the phones.
And the menu system will be slightly different?
Slightly different because of the native menu in the phone.
Okay, yeah. So yeah, BlackBerry menu system is completely unique to Android and that sort of thing.
Exactly.
All right, very good. So that is a demonstration of how Skype will work on Verizon smartphones, to be available March 25th.